Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Etrade for day trading, easy method. Open your Etrade app, fund your account, enable real-time quotes, and turn on two-factor authentication immediately. Next, customize your trading layout with watch lists and hotkeys for fast order entry. Practice with small positions and use limit orders to control entry and exit prices. Review your trades daily and adjust risk per trade, so you protect capital while learning to speed up execution. In this video, I will explain how to use Etrade for day trading, easy method. Choose limit orders for precise entries and exits, or market orders when speed is essential. Apply stop-loss orders to every trade to protect capital and consider trailing stops to lock gains. Use time and force settings like GTC or day to match your strategy. Practice placing different orders in the platform so you build speed and confidence under live conditions without risking large sums. In this video, I will explain how to use Etrade for day trading easy method. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum is great for keeping your desk area clean while you focus on charts with voice control and smart mapping. It saves you time between sessions so you can trade without distractions. If this sounds useful, subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to use Etrade for day trading easy method. Decide a fixed risk per trade, such as $100 or 1% of capital, and size positions accordingly. Use Etrade watch lists, alerts, and level Roman 2 data to spot momentum and liquidity. Backtest setups in a simulator, if available, and journal every trade with reason and outcome. Scale position size only after consistent success, and always keep a clear exit plan to limit emotional decisions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.